Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Our today's topic is electrostatic precipitator. In this video we shall see the internal view and the maintenance of electrostatic precipitator. Before to start, I would like to request you to please subscribe my channel if you are new in this channel. An ESP is a device that removes fine particles. Basically it is a filtration device that is used to remove the fine particles from the gases. Now this is the internal view of the electrostatic precipitator. The working principle of a electrostatic precipitator is very simple. It is consisting of two sets of the electrodes, that are the negative and the positive. The negative electrode is the form of a wire mesh, while the positive electrodes are the plates. Both are placed vertically. The dust particles are ionized by the high voltage discharge electrodes by the corona effect. The particles ionized to the negative charges are attracted to positive charge plates and vice versa, and further the dust is removed from the plates by a hammering process. Now we shall see the maintenance activity of insulator replacement for one of the chamber of electrostatic precipitator. This is the existing insulator that needs to be replaced because there are cracks. The tool used for the removal of the insulator is shown, and the process is also highlighted in this session. This is how to replace the insulator by using a special tool for removing the cracked insulator. You can see the cracks on the insulator. So now this insulator is being removed.
छोटा टुकड़ा जाओ वो अगो मास्टर है बाबा जो नंबर है कोई बात थोड़े जाओ
Insulator is removed from the spot. This is the new insulator that will be installed on the place of the cracked one.
उससे हाथ पा सेम उससे हाथ पा चलो लिस्टा पे ना बराबर करो प्याज को आपको हाँ